We are so excited. Today's a really special day. We're here for International Coastal Cleanup Day, and we're doing projects here on the beaches, East Coast to West Coast, where we're cleaning up the oceans. We're just so excited because the kiddos are out here with us today, both East and West Coast.
So it's important for children to understand the impact that they have on the environment because first and foremost, they are children right now, but they're going to be citizens. We want to teach them about the importance of contributing to their community, their society, and ultimately on a global level. We want them to understand their impact. We want to teach them about sustainability and leaving the place that we live better than we found it.
We found a lot of plastic, a lot of foam, and one big piece of wood.
There's a lot of construction materials on the ocean right now, like a bunch of foam and plastic. We haven't found anything else, but we're hoping we can save a lot of animals by doing this.
Hey California, how's it going?
Hi, we're here working hard with students from Healdsburg Elementary School, Fitch Mountain Campus, and Jack London Elementary School from Santa Rosa to do a Russian River cleanup, starting here at Badger Park and then moving down to the river.
What did you find here? I found some wrappers and some bottles. So I found some bottles and plastic bottles and trash. Keeping trash away from the ocean, after we're done eating our snacks, we need to throw them away. And if you're drinking like a beverage or water that has plastic, you need to make sure that it doesn't go near any animal.
So we're here today because it's so important to educate our students who are the future of the country and the world to make the world a safer, cleaner place. We're teaching the kids about the pollution that ends up in the waterways and where it goes, and trying to be sure that they understand the negative effects of what happens with pollution in the water.
Whether you're on the East Coast or West Coast or anywhere in between, you can have a great impact on our oceans with cleaning up our communities.
To get your free curriculum, visit Brightmark.com. Now available in Spanish. Ahora disponible en español.